Hey, I'm shaking. I'm sorry, guy. What are you? What are you, by the way? No. No. You know how many police would be after us too, because he's so endangered? Earthquake. He's a beautiful, beautiful bird. Mr. Birdie, how you doing, Mr. Hey, don't you wag your tail like that. Or head. And what are you, Mr. Peacock over here, huh? What are you doing, huh? Wow, what the fuck? That's real? What?
Really, that's real.
God, what a beautiful Victoria Crown Pigeon. Look at that thing. Wow. Feels good in here, doesn't it? Feels like the rainforest, so it's very humid. I think that has to be like that, though. You feel the humidity? Hey, do you feel the humidity?
Yeah.
It's cool, but it's very humid.
Of course. These birds probably can't live in
Non-humid areas? Non-humid areas?
They're tropical birds.
They're definitely trapped in here, huh?
No, I think that peacock got out. Well, the peacock was earlier in the house and just visited.
You're letting me out of my cage. Montaigne. Montaigne. Mountain? What? What? I don't understand you.
Where's it at?
There he is.
Where?
Right there.
Yeah.
I understand what you're trying to say, but...
Is that a monkey?
No, it's a bird. It's a montaigne.
I don't see it.
What you trying to say, buddy? Ooh! Get him! Get him, boy!
at?
Look how cute he is. Motherfucker's cute. He's so cute. Is he cute? Are you cute?
Yeah.
Oh, he's
Come
so
out.
cute.
Come out
Look
so
how
we can
cute
see
he
you.
is. Look how cute he is. Uh-huh. Meow.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
How you doing? You doing good?
Come on, come out. I want to get this picture.
I just want to see him in real life, and I am right now. Hi, birdie, birdie, birdie. Polly want a birdie?
Hello. Hello.
Polly want a birdie. He's definitely trying to speak like a human a little bit.
He's looking at us.
No, right now he's just kind of like, help, I'm trapped. I got to get out of here.
Probably like that peacock that we saw.
Yeah. What a cutie, though.
There's
Poor
one
guy.
over there.
Poor guy doesn't want to come out of his cage. Look how scared he is. Poor guy, he's just scared. Somebody must have scared him one day.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
It's no use.
Well, he must be scared as hell.
He's not coming out.
I'm going to call him the scared bird of Cincinnati. I'm going to do that right now.